stop pretending everything was fine. Let the quiet in, stop filling every line. Not every scar needs to be shown. Some just sit with you when you're alone. I used to smile to get through the day, while my thoughts kept pulling me the other way. Now I let them come, don't chase them out. Just sit and breathe, let them move around. The mirror shows what I used to avoid, but now I face it, not annoyed. No fake pep talks, no rewind. Just me trying to stay aligned. I don't need to fall apart to prove I've got a beating heart. I'm not broken, just waking, still sore, still remaking. But my hands are mine and they work just fine to carry what's left and still hold the line. No more fake lines, no quick escape. I'm done reshaping just to fit a shape. I don't need proof to know I've survived. I'm still here, and that's a lie. I don't laugh to fill the space. I laugh when something earns its place. Peace doesn't show up loud or proud. It's in small moments I never said out loud. I used to bluff my way through pain. Now I just call it by its name. Even when it's dull, even when it's sharp, at least it's honest, not some shiny part. Some days I fall back into old habits, but I catch myself, and that's progress. I don't win every time I try, but I've stopped needing reasons why. I'm not broken, just waking, still sore, still reshaping. I made room for what I used to hide. I've stopped running from what's inside. No more smiling just to please. I've got solid ground under shaky knees. I don't need noise to feel strong. I just need time and to keep moving on. Maybe healing's not some clean restart. Maybe it's just learning who you are and sticking with it when it's hard, even when the winds come slow and scarred. I'm not broken, I'm rebuilding, brick by brick, still feeling, but not ashamed, not faking clear, just trying to show up year by year. No more versions just to blend. I don't need perfect, I just need to end every day a little less afraid of the things I used to trade. So if I'm quiet, it doesn't mean I'm lost. It just means I'm learning how to carry the cost.